Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be making this amazing oatmeal cookies. These are absolutely delicious, and if you follow the instructions exactly, you're on your way to some amazingly delicious cookies. No guilt here. So there we have some mashed bananas, some grapeseed oil, no butter, some raisins and dates. Now those are optional. If you don't have dates or raisins, you want a little bit more sweeter than the bananas, you can just add some agave. So cinnamon, nutmeg, and some vanilla bean paste, and some walnuts. All these are really good for you, high protein. There we have some peanut butter and some oats. We're just gonna fold everything together, make sure it is really well combined. Almost forgot my baking powder. Now we're going to add our dark chocolate. Now this is a high protein cookie, very healthy. As you can see, we are going to put this on a baking sheet. Put your desired sizes here, and you're going to bake in a 350 degrees oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. All right, now while this is actually baking, we are going to make our chocolate ganache with just dark chocolate. You're gonna add some cream. Now you don't have to do this, the cookie is just amazing by itself. I'm just a little extra right here. So you're going to mix this until it is really smooth, look like this. And I just place this in a Ziploc bag. I bore the tip, and this is what I'm making, these little cute designs here. So do enjoy. Do not forget to subscribe. Be kind to yourself and each other. Love you guys. Bye bye.